Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're learning Wash by Elevation Rhythm. This song is in the key of B major. Alright, so the way this song starts off is actually with just the vocals. It starts off in the chorus, right? I've been washed in the water, washed in the blood, da, 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 da. Oh, they do that twice. And then once the introduction starts, it starts off with a 3 chord. But our 3 chord is going to be played a little bit differently, right? So normally our 3 is going to be a 1 over 3, right? This is going to be our 1 normally, which is just a B major chord. I'm just playing it inverted. And then a 3 is going to be a E flat within the key of B major. So 1, 2, 3. Normally this is how I would teach how to play a 3 chord, right? But the voicing on these chords is a little bit different, right? You can hear in the guitar, it doesn't really sound like a regular 3, right? Or 1 over 3. It almost sounds like there's some dissonance in that chord, right? So you're gonna play your 3 chord like this. Essentially, in your right hand, you're gonna have an F sharp, a B, and an E, right? And then the left hand is playing that bass note, that E flat, right? This is the first chord you're hearing, right? You hear that dissonance in there, but it resolves when you go to that 4 chord, right? So 4 chord, the only thing I did in my right hand was I moved my pinky from E to an E flat, right? So you could save yourself a lot of energy and mental energy knowing that all you're doing is this. From the 3 chord to the 4 chord. So those are the first 2 chords in this song. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? All I did was, and then the 3rd chord, and watch my right hand. I said chord 1, chord 2, now a 3rd chord. My thumb didn't move at all. Chord 1, move my pinky for chord 2. Now this time around, I'm playing an F sharp major here in my right hand. So, left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is our last chord right here. Right here in my right hand, I'm playing another B major chord, just inverted. See, I still have the E flat in there, I still have the F sharp in there, and I also have my B, right? So in my right hand, my left hand, I'm playing this 6 in the bass, which is essentially A flat. So again, chord 1, chord 2, chord 3, chord 4. Let's hear all together. Verse 2, 3. Oh, hallelujah. Okay, cool. So the last 2 chords. This is a 2 chord, which is essentially going to be a D flat minor 7 chord. What makes this a minor 7 chord, right? You have your D flat, and then you have the minor. This is the D flat minor. When you add this B here, it creates a D flat minor 7 chord, right? And then you end on that 4. Oh, hallelujah. And then you have this E major chord. Really simple. Just a regular 4 chord. I'm playing perfect fifths in my left hand. Right hand, I'm playing the E major. So one more time. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hallelujah. Again. My fault. So I'll show you what I'm doing for the chorus. I've been one chord. Essentially it's just a B major, right? And my left hand, you can do octaves. You can do octaves with the fifth in there. You can even do just perfect fifths, right? It won't change the chord much. I've been 1 to 4. If you want to add some flavor in that 4, you could make it add 2, right? Or add 9, I guess. And then your 6th chord. This is how I like to play my 6 chords. I like to play them as minor 7s as well. So if you were to break down this chord, you have A flat minor 7, right? So you have A flat, you have, I'll show you on this side. You have A flat, you have your F sharp, and this is really what's making it the minor 7. You also have your E flat in there, this B, and finally your, oh yeah, we're just repeating this E flat right here, right? And if I wanted to make this just a regular minor chord, I would remove this F sharp and put it right here, right? But I like to add a little flavor in that 6th chord. And then the final chord in that chorus is just a regular F sharp major. So chorus 2, 3, 4. Back to a verse. And then they go back to the chorus again until they get to the bridge. I think this is everybody's favorite part. So I'm going to play the bridge all the way through and then come back and show you what I did. Bridge. So essentially, left hand, and then back to the 4 again. Right hand is just playing that line. And what I'm doing is hit B twice. So I guess I'm hitting B 3 times. Right? And I just do that for each time I move chords in the left hand. Now, after that, you go back to the, I think it's verse again. You know, so that's pretty much the entire song. And then you end on the chorus. Washing the water, washing the blood. Oh, hallelujah. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you know somebody who might also want to learn this song, go ahead and send it to them too.